Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a delicious trip down memory lane with some classic 1970s recipes. Remember when kitchens were filled with the aroma of home-cooked meals and family dinners were the highlight of the day? Let's dive into what Mum cooked for us in the 1970s with a special appearance by none other than Mary Berry. First up, we have a 70s favorite, the classic chicken Kiev. This dish, featuring tender chicken breast filled with garlic butter and herbs, was a staple at many family dinners. Imagine slicing into that crispy, golden breaded exterior to reveal the savory, melted butter inside. Absolutely mouth-watering. And who could forget the beef stroganoff? This rich and creamy dish with tender strips of beef, mushrooms and onions, all smothered in a luscious sour cream sauce, was a real crowd pleaser. Serve it over egg noodles, and you've got a comforting meal that brings back all those cozy family memories. Now let's switch it up with a bit of Mary Berry magic. Mary Berry has been a household name for decades, and back in the 70s she was already captivating audiences with her timeless recipes. One of her iconic dishes from that era is the classic quiche Lorraine, with its flaky pastry crust, creamy egg filling and bits of smoky bacon. It's a perfect blend of flavors that just screams nostalgia. Don't forget the side dishes. A popular choice was the Waldorf salad, a crunchy mix of apples, celery and walnuts dressed in a light mayonnaise. It's a refreshing side that perfectly balanced the richer main dishes. And what's a 70s meal without dessert, right? Let's talk about the beloved trifle. Layers of sponge cake, fruit, jelly, custard and topped with a generous dollop of whipped cream. It's a dessert that's not just delicious but also a feast for the eyes with its colourful layers. Another sweet treat that was all the rage, the pineapple upside-down cake. This cake features caramelized pineapple rings and cherries on top of a moist, buttery cake. It's a perfect blend of sweet and tangy that's sure to bring back childhood memories. So there you have it, a nostalgic tour through the classic recipes of the 1970s. Bringing back these dishes not only fills our kitchens with amazing aromas, but also reconnects us with those cherished family moments. Give these recipes a try and let the flavors transport you back in time. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious trips down memory lane. See you next time.